In as much as sun is important to the growth and the development of of your farm produce, in as much as sun is important to the growth and development of majority of our farm produce, in short, not majority, but in short, it is a necessity. You understand? In as much as it is important, there is also that tendency that excessive sun can stunt the growth of your crops. Yes, excessive sun can stunt the growth of your crops. If you say it's a lie, no problem. That's what we are going to review right now in this video. But before then, if you have watched this video to this point, this is the first time you've seen my face in my channel, what you have and you are not yet subscribed, what you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one you're watching right now. You don't understand? Back to the business of the day. I just don't want this video to be too long. I just want it to be very, very short. Now, what are we saying? I said, in as much as sun is important to the growth and development of your farm produce, that is how we started. And I am trying to make you understand that for the benefit of your plant, for it to grow, you understand? For it to do well, not really well, water is a necessity. And excessive water as well is a problem. Excessive sun, in short, it is the worstest problem. Excessive sun, it is one something you should never wish for. That is why you see today in agriculture we have what we call irrigation pipes. Many of us don't really know the use of irrigation pipe. These pipes are used to water your seed when they are coming, even when they have grown to an extent. You understand? It keeps the ground moist and then it keeps the seed fresh. Because, okay, for example now, plants like crops like watermelon, crops like corn, you understand, which needs direct sunlight. You know, watermelon needs direct sunlight, but even as much as it needs direct sunlight, it needs water. Because excessive sun to that watermelon can stunt the growth. I am telling you out of experience. Somebody will say, sir, what are you trying to say? Yes, I'm telling you. In as much as sun is a necessity, sun is also a disadvantage. Excessive sun is a disadvantage to agriculture, like to your crops. You know, because if, for example, you are like in the desert where there is excessive sun, you go know what I mean now. In most of these other countries that the rain hardly fall. You go know how far. So you need irrigations, you need procedures to keep those crops ever blooming and fresh. Don't put your hope all in the rain. You know, understand? Yes, that is the essence of this video. The essence of this video is don't keep your hope only on the rain, or you don't just put your faith, okay, and a dry season, this crop is, even a crop that is a dry season crop needs water. Then even a crop that is a rainy season crop needs sun. So you can see let's balance the two so that we will not make mistakes. You don't understand? So if you want to really know the importance or the benefit, or to have the best growth in your plant, try to combine these two together. Don't say watermelon needs sun, you just go and plant it and leave it and go and look for a place and sleep. Say, watermelon needs sun, and you put it under direct sunlight. You know irrigation, no water. If you don't have money to buy irrigation pipe, you have watering can. If you cannot get watering can, fetch water from a small basin. Use your filter, which you can pour the water in, and then the water, you understand, you pour the water from the filter, you know, it becomes more like a watering can. So not until you are waiting for it to break the bank so that you can start going into farming. Now our problem, you don't need to break a bank to start farming. You need to start it. That is just the important. Just start it. Don't come and say, no, my own arm. That is how I am. That is who I am. That is who we are in this channel. You don't understand. If you have watched this video to this point and you find this video informative, educative, and above or what engaging, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. So if you want to go into farming, don't say, sir, farming need money normally, you don't understand. But your money will still amount to nothing if care is not taken. Yes. If you venture, you carry 2 million, 10 billion naira and put into farming and care is not taken, it will still go down the drain. In short, as far as I'm concerned, care is the number one to agriculture and to your farm produce. So I would like to see you guys in the next video. If you find my videos informative, educative, and above all what engaging, please share this video. Hit the comment, leave a comment for this video, hit the like, and then subscribe to this channel, please. Because now only those things they empower us to continue to do. I like to educate, you know, understand. We are more what I have experienced, what I come to tell of. So please, what you do for yourself and for me is just share this video, give this video a comment, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, you know, understand, so that you will be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.